Hello everyone. Let's start discussing about marketing research. Marketing research plays a vital role in helping business succeed. It provides a clear understanding of what the market wants and helps in making informed decisions. It is like the compass that guides companies through a sea of uncertainty. A fantastic example of why research is important is the story of YouTube. Everybody knows about it. It started as a small idea by Javed Karim, Steve Chen, and Henry, who identified a gap in the market for a dedicated video sharing platform. Their research and timing turned it into a global phenomenon. In contrast, poor research can lead to a massive losses. The best example is of McDonald's, who lost $100 million in 1996 because they introduced Arch Deluxe Burger, which was not aligned with consumer preferences. Considering Indian example, we know about Tata Nano. While it was marketed as the world's cheapest car, Tata Motors failed to research the aspirational mindset of Indian consumers who saw cars as a status symbol. So nobody wanted to have a poor man's car. So our goal today is to understand why marketing research is important, why it matters, and how it works. Now, let us understand the definition of marketing research. It's a slightly lengthy. However, we'll understand each and every word. Marketing research is the process of gathering information to understand the market, consumer, and its trends. It acts as a link between businesses and the people they serve. This information helps businesses to spot opportunities and problems, test and improve their ideas. Third, keep track of how well their marketing strategies are working. For example, when Starbucks wanted to expand in new regions, they conducted in-depth research about local coffee preferences. This helped them in tweaking their menu and marketing strategy to connect better with the audience. In India, the entry of Domino's Pizza is again a great example. Their research revealed that Indian consumers value quick delivery and localized flavor. As a result, Domino's introduced an efficient delivery model and flavors like pepi paneer and chicken tikka, which resonated with Indian tastes. Modern marketing research uses advanced tools like surveys, social media analytics, and even AI to gather and analyze data quickly and efficiently. Now, let us understand for marketing research to be useful, what principle it should follow. And according to me, there are three major principles. The first one is it has to be scientific. The methods used by logical based on evidence. So you're going to use statistics, you will use uh, analytics, something which is scientific in nature and which has got scientific temperament. The second principle is it has to be systematic. There has to be a process which is organized step by step. And the third principle is verifiable. The result should be repeatable and trustworthy. So whenever somebody wants to recheck it, the result should be verifiable. You should be able to get the similar result in the similar condition. Think of this, I mean to say, the three principle as nothing but a building a strong foundation. For example, Netflix uses data-driven research, systematically analyzing user viewing patterns to recommend shows. This scientific approach ensures that their decision like green lighting new shows are based on evidence, not on the guesswork. In India, Flipkart Flipkart's Big Billion Days, it uses systematic and scientific research to predict consumer demand, identify popular product categories, and ensures logistic readiness. This approach has helped make the sale one of the biggest online shopping events in India. Now let us see what are the steps which are involved in marketing research. Uh, it's a journey where various stages are involved. The first one is defining the problem. That is nothing but what questions are we trying to answer. Okay. Formulating hypothesis. There is a second stage. What do we think might be the solution or reason behind the problem? So there's a solution, there's a reason which we are trying to either we will accept that solution or we will reject that. That is what we call it formulating a hypothesis. Collecting data using surveys, interviews, or digital tools to gather information, primary data, secondary data. So, or the literature which is available through that also we can collect the data. Fourth step is analyzing data, looking for patterns and insights, making story out of the data. That is what we call analyzing the data. Experimenting, testing the hypothesis to see if they work, and then validating hypothesis, checking the result to ensure they are reliable. And the last part is reporting, sharing findings in a way that is easy to understand and act upon. Okay, so last part is how you share the findings, because uh, the findings, if they are not useful to the society or public at large, then that is of no use. For instance, let us take an example of Zomato. Now they wanted to improve their delivery, so they defined the problem. They collected GPS and customer feedback data. They analyzed it and tested new strategies like optimized delivery routes. This systematic approach led to better service and happier customers. In India, Patanjali's entry into FMCG market, that is again a fantastic example where they identified the gap in the demand for the Ayurvedic and natural products at affordable prices, because that was the biggest challenge. We had natural products, but they were quite costly. This allowed them to quickly establish themselves as a major player in the Indian market. So thank you for your time and attention today. I hope this session helped you understand the importance of marketing research and how it impacts every decision business make. Remember, marketing research is not just about gathering data, it's about using that data to create meaningful connections with your audience. It helps businesses innovate, improve, and grow. If you have any queries or any questions, please post it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Also, you can subscribe and like this video, because I'm going to have series of uh, small videos on market research. So whenever I'm going to upload them, you'll get information of the same. So good day. Thank you very much.